that's in your closet. But you grab them tight, you in love with being modest.
Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So y'all, it is time to do a maintenance vlog. I've never done one of these before. I don't know, I guess it can be a vlog or video. I've never done one of these before, but I always do maintenance, so why not share with you guys? If you guys have been following me for a little while, you know I do my own nails. Y'all see them. Wait a minute, maybe not. Okay, there you go. Camera trying to do me, but yeah, these been on for I want to say two weeks now, maybe 2 weeks, but it is time to take them off. You know what I mean? Because they're starting to lift or whatever, but it's been real, it's been fun. So I want to redo them. I don't know what style I'm gonna do. I need to wash my hair, I need to do a face mask. So enough yapping, enough clapping, enough tapping, enough bapping, and let's get started. For real, let's get this started. So this step is one of the most important steps if you're trying to save time when soaking off your nails. Make sure you remove all the gel polish from your nails. So make sure you get it all the way down to where you can actually see the actual nail and it's like clear. Listen to me, y'all. It's gonna save you so much time when you get ready to soak these off. So I just have some hot water. I'm just going to put another bowl inside of it and put my acetone in there. That water is going to warm that acetone up. But first, let's go ahead and put some cuticle oil on top of our skin and around our nails, because we're going to be soaking that in acetone and it's going to dry your hands out. So go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to soak my hands in here, y'all. That hot water makes it just melt off that acrylic, so make sure you try it. Here I'm just going to use some cuticle trimmer. I just put it around my cuticles and I'm just going to trim the cuticles around my nails. I think that's how you say it, trim your cuticles. I don't know. Let's just get all that dead skin from around your nails. Make your nails look really nice and wet, crisp.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow, jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. the why. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel. Ay, what is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new and improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new and improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
you.